Welcome to CS161, Introduction to Programming and Problem Solving. I'm Stephanie Allen, and I'm going to be your instructor this term. So computer science is all about learning how to problem solve. A lot of people think that computer science is just about coding, but using code is just the tool so that the computer can solve the problem quickly. So you develop the solution with the problem solving skills that you will be developing, and then you will implement that solution in a language that the computer can understand, and then the computer can execute that solution really quickly. So that's what computer science is all about, learning to problem solve. And so when you hop into the course, there are a few items that you need to pay attention to. First, each week I'll be posting an announcement that will tell you what you'll be learning that week and what will be due that week. Then I want you to go into the syllabus and take a look and read that carefully. At the end of the syllabus, you'll see a schedule. It's really handy to print that out so that you have a list of everything that's due each week. The course is divided up into modules, so if you click on modules, you can see that there is a support module, and you can collapse these to get them out of your way, and a class connection module where we have different forums for asking questions and then just posting cool things that you may want to share with the class. Then we have a course information module. You can get to know a little bit about me, look at our style guide for writing Python, and take a look at the grading rubric as well. You'll introduce yourself to the class, and then you'll find a study group. You're required to work with a study group in this course because collaboration is really important in computer science. Then you will take a syllabus quiz. So you have to score 100% in order to stay in the class. You can take the syllabus quiz as many times as you want, but you need to score 100% to stay in the class. And then you can look at week 1. So each week is divided up in the same way. We have an overview page that will tell you a little bit more about what's going on. A get ready page, don't skip this. Some zyBooks chapters to complete, and then you'll have a discussion each week, and then some weeks you also have an assignment. And then there's a summary page. Don't skip the summary page because it has lots of good links to other practice sites that might be helpful. You have to complete all of these items for the next week to open. You can see that I can't click on these until I've completed all the items in week 1. You do have an interactive textbook called zyBooks. So once you've purchased that, you'll be able to hop in there and start working through the material. So what you can expect each week is before our first meeting, you should read the weekly announcement and then look at that week's module overview. Read the Get Ready pages and then complete all the assigned zyBooks chapters before coming to class, because during our first meeting each week, we are going to be working on a design activity and then just reviewing those zyBooks chapters. So I won't be lecturing in depth because I have all my lecture videos within the zyBooks. So you will want to complete all that work before coming to class. And then we'll do some fun, interactive, and individual practices. During our second meeting each week, we will just do some additional review and practice. So you need to schedule time outside of class to finish those zyBooks activities, meet with your study group to work on a discussion prompt, complete the assigned programming assignment, if there is one for that week, and then read the weekly module summary pages. Over here on the right-hand side is also a calendar of all upcoming due dates. So as you complete these items, you can go ahead and just check them off and to remove them from that list. Okay, that's just a brief introduction. We'll talk more about it in class, but I wanted to get you going so that you can poke around and check things out before our first meeting in January. I look forward to meeting you.